welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Clearing operations resumes in Kankona, tilted building demolition on Thursday. Goa police reach Mumbai to nab builder. No hope of survivors, says CM. Rescue mission is cleaning mission now. Death toll touches 18. Goa all set for Narendra Modi's mega convention at Mayor, says security and other measure in place, says CM. Expects crowd of 1,50,000 people. District and Sessions Court hears bail petition of Tarun Tejpal. Hearing to continue on Friday. Proceedings partially heard in camera. And Lusophonia Games shrouded in confusion. Goa Olympic Association says teams will arrive from January 14, but LUGOC still awaits teams' confirmation. Now news in detail. After the order by CM, clearing operation resumed in a phased manner on Tuesday afternoon without the use of heavy machinery. Human Rights Commission has taken suo motu cognizance of the matter and has sought detailed report from the Chief Secretary. Goa police team has reached Mumbai to nab the builder. Charges of corruption and conspiracy have been added against all accused in the case. Meanwhile, a body of deceased labor was found on Tuesday.
The clearing operation of the collapsed building has begun in phased manner on Tuesday afternoon. Meanwhile, the anticipatory bail plea hearing of the contractor Vishwas Desai was adjourned for Wednesday in view of corruption charges in the matter.
Initially, the applicant, when he filed his application, the prevention of corruption was not applied to the case, and therefore the matter was sent to additional session judge for disposal. Today, the Karnataka police have applied the Prevention of Corruption Act to the case, and therefore now the matter has to be only dealt with by the special judge under the Act. Now arguments were today heard because the advocate for the applicant has argued that this additional session judge also has the powers besides the special judge. Now arguments were heard on that, and the matter is fixed now tomorrow for order on this aspect, whether the court would have jurisdiction to entertain this application.
Goa Human Rights Commission has stepped in. They have sought detailed report of the building collapse from the Chief Secretary of Goa. PWD Minister has reassured of the clearing mission to complete in coming 48 hours.
मुंबईच्यान स्पेशलाइज्ड मनीस माटे एंड एसोसिएट डिमोलिशन स्क्वॉड म्हणून ताचो आसा तो सकाळी येवन मुख्यमंत्र्याक ताणें सगळें दाखयलें आनी त्यानंतर आमचे जे एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियर आशिल्ले तांचे बरोबर तांकां आनी आमी सगळे तांकां हांगा घेवन आयले. आज ती सगळे पळयले नंतर फाल्यां सादारण रातच्या आज 12-12:30 पर्यंत मशिनरी पावतली आनी ती मशिनरी पावल्या नंतर फाल्यां सकाळी मोठ्या प्रमाणात काम चालू जातलें. आता इमिजिएट रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन एक गँग तयार केल्या जी 8 तास कंटिन्युअस 24 तास 8 तासाची एक गँग, ह्या प्रमाणे 24 तास थंय गँग काम करतली. तांकां सगळें मटेरियल जे जाय, खाण जेवण जे जाय ते कंपनीच्या किंवा गव्हर्मेंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी दिले गेले वतले आनी ते काम रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन आसा ते फाल्यां 24 तासांत आमचो मनोदय आसा. पूण येदा कदाचित तें अशक्य जालें जाल्यार तें 48 तासां भितर आमी कंप्लीट करून दितले.
Shantaram Naik visited the building collapse site and has opined that the laws are not enough to curb the real estate violations. He also expressed that the government had to take the setting of guidelines as priority. Shantaram Naik has announced 5 lakh compensation from his side.
गोंया तरी एक कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स दिवपाचो कायदो सोडून, टावन प्लॅनिंगाचे कायदे सोडून बाकी जनरल रेजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ रियल इस्टेट ओनर्स किंवा रियल इस्टेट ते तयार करपाक सोदतात, कशें बांदकाम करपाक सोदतात, ह्या संबंधीचो कायदो देशांत ना आनी पार्लमेंटांत असो कायदो हालींच इंट्रोड्यूस जाला. तो फुडाराक एप्लिकेबल आसलो. सद्या आमचे कडेन MP फंडांतल्यान हांव 5 लाख रुपया हांगा डिक्लेअर करता कलेक्टराकडे घेतलो.
MP Francisco Sardin has demanded stern action against all accused.
All those authorities who were connected with this should be punished. They are responsible for the deaths of these innocent people.
On Tuesday afternoon, Minister Avertan Furtad and MLA Benjamin Silva, along with their families and kids, entered the 100-meter cordon zone of the collapse site. Minister Tawardkar calls this act wrong and uncalled for. However, this act of the minister and the MLA exposes the lethargies in the surveillance of the critical site. Team of Goa police has set out for Mumbai in search of the accused owner of Ruby Builders. Charges of corruption and conspiracy have been laid on to all the accused. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, quoting experts, opined that possibility of more survivors is bleak. Chief Minister has also ordered demolition of the damaged buildings within 48 hours. The rescue mission has been converted into a clearing mission now. Meanwhile, CM has assured of action if anybody establishes connivance between any politician and builder. The death toll has increased to 18.
Available methods, including Disaster Management Authority, everyone has made it very clear that no one, even if he is trapped inside, is alive. Therefore, we cannot, as a government, cannot put life of any other person in danger. One who is, it is no more a rescue operation, but it is, as of now, Operation Clear Up. We have decided that hand operation of debris removal can be started, and that has been started. Physical. That is because hand operation vibration nasta and वजन नसता machine. त्यामुळे hand operation can be done. It is up to that extent it is safe. But machine what is called a slip circle has already formed. The wall, retaining wall, where the mud is filled up, has already cracked. Foundation is not on a stone. It is in a soft, loosely packed mud. Therefore, that is the main reason. Now, I don't want to preempt the final cause. Let the expert also put. But primary, it appears to be that is the reason for collapse. I got expert माटे म्हणून तो कधी equipment था 12 meters crane capable of virtually cutting the building. He says that दिसाक एक building आपण तुमका demolish करून दिता. So his machinery has been already mobilized from Pune. If you have document, please forward it to that committee. That committee is free to probe that. Because the paper which you were quoting yesterday, the media was quoting, is pre-license paper. Though it is, there is a lot of truth in it, it is a pre-license. So you have to see all those things. You can please give if you have anything. I don't mind doing that, but I don't pre-assume. प्रत्येक जाग्यार पॉलिटिशियन असूंक जाय असो काय नसता. रोजी काँग्रेसचें सरकार आशिल्लें आनी जे आतां बडबडटात पळय ते सगळे काँग्रेसीन आशिल्ले. अलेक्स रिजनाडे, कोण तो Jan 14, they were all part of that government. In 3/6/2010, when the second phase was given, they were all part of the government. When third phase was given on 16/6/2010, म्हणजे 28/5 ते 1600 पर्यंत 3 गुडके करून ताणें परमिशन दिलें 3 बिल्डिंग. तिनूय हातून they were the part of the government. But I have courage of saying that I can't directly blame them unless I find a direct link. हांव पॉलिटिसायज करूंक शकना. फक्त ते कितें बडबडून एक हे करूंक सोदता, एक इम्प्रेशन करूंक सोदता की जणू काय आमच्या वेळार दिला. इवन आमच्या वेळार दिलें सुद्दां जाल्यार देर इज नो प्रॉब्लेम. आय विल टेक एक्शन बिकॉज इट हॅज बीन डन बाय द टाउन प्लॅनर विदाउट फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर. ऑफिसर डुईंग मिस्टेक हॅज टू बी पनिश्ड. वी हॅव पनिश्ड हिम ऑलरेडी.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.